my name is Hakim, and today I will show you how to do Solidworks tutorial basic of sheet metal. Okay, the first thing is on this left side is the sheet metal features. In order to get that, first go to at the left bottom left top Solidworks, then click View, and then go to Toolbars and find the sheet metal. Then you click it, and it will appear on this left side. Okay, now I'm gonna create a sketch, but before that I'm gonna click base flange tab, and then I'm gonna select front plane. Next I go to midpoint line and draw a line here and then here, and I draw the line here, so should be straight line. Okay, now I click on this line to make it equal, and I click OK. Now the smart dimension I put 180 while the other is 80. Okay, after that I click exit dimension and will be automatically on the base front feature. So for this spline I put 75 mm. The thickness should be 3 mm. Sheet metal diameter I put 3 mm, while this I put 1 mm. The bend allowance I chose K factor, right, and 0.5, and the auto relief I put tier, there 0.5, 3 mm. Now I click OK, and next I'm gonna save this file first. Then I click save as, find the place that I need to put. Now I'll save it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna cut here by using extrude cut. But on the sheet metal also have their own revolve cut. So I just click here and then click here. Then find the circle and locate the midpoint. This dot is indicate that it is on the midpoint. So I pull the circle and put the dimension 40 mm. Then I go click OK, and I go click exit sketch. As you can see that this yellow indicates that where we want to cut. Okay, now I click to link to thickness to show that this cut is similar to the thickness of this sheet metal. Then I click OK. Okay, then I save first. Next, I will do meter flange. First, click on the meter flange, and the plane that we're gonna make here will be automatically on normal tool. Then click line, and at this point pull here, and then pull here, but then go back and then pull again to make this straight line into this outline. Then we click here, then press escape. Okay, this dot should be in tangent line. Okay, and on this side also tangent line. Okay, now for this part, I put 20 mm and this line 6 mm, while this radius is 10 mm, and lastly this part here should be 10 mm. Okay, next I click OK, and as you can see that this is the sketch that we made. Then when we exit the sketch, it will appear here. It will appear this bit flange, meter flange. Okay, this sketch and H1 is this uh blue line. But then we're gonna also want to make another meter flange. So we click here. Okay. Then is everything okay? I select OK. Then it looks like this. And after that, I'm gonna save first. Okay, save. Okay, this sheet metal it's just similar like a paper that we fold, and we can see. And if you want to see how this sheet metal flat, we go to the sheet metal features and select this flatten features, and then click. And as you can see, just like a similar like a paper. Then this is line that we fold the paper. Okay. Okay, next I'm gonna put a color. Okay, then we click OK. Okay, now we're gonna make a mirror. To make this part is on the other part by using the mirror. Then we click mirror, and mirror face plane. Which the place we gonna to point to mirror. Select here, and you select body to mirrors and select all this part. And you can see that this is the preview for the mirror part. And then we click OK. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a edge flange. Edge flange is here. Then I select on this part, this line, and then I pull here. Okay. On the blind, for the depth, I put 30 mm. And the flange position, I click the material outside. Then I click offset and trim pen. But the blind, I put 15 mm. Okay, now I go output, and then I select edit flange profile. Okay, so you can see that there's nothing here. Okay, next we put here, click on here, and then we can adjust here. We can edit. Okay, next we click smart dimension. We click on this point and here, and we put 36. Then we go to the right side, also put 36. Okay. Okay, and lastly, I put I put here and put 20. Okay, then I click finish, and it looks like this. Okay, then save. Okay, next I'm gonna make a mirror this part to here. First, I go to mirror and then mirror face plane. Where do I want to put? So I put mirror to right plane. Okay, and as you can see, I already click here, then it will automatically goes on here. Then I select OK, right? So this edge flange appear here. Okay, now I'm gonna make a bending, but before that, I go to base flange and place it here, and it will automatically on this normal tool. First, I go click rectangle and click here and click smart dimension and click here 40 mm. What this is 20, and this side here is 90. Okay, this part also similar, which is 19, so I don't have to declare again. Okay, then I click exit sketch, and you can see that, right? Uh, it's on the right direction and also merge result. Then I click OK. Okay, now it's safe. Now I'm gonna add a sketch. First, bending. First, we're gonna click here and then put the face here and automatically on normal tool. Then I draw the line here, and after that, the dimension I put here, create it as 10 mm. Okay, after that, I click OK, and then I click Edit Sketch. As you can see, that looks like here. Then bend position, I click here, make it outside, and the bend parameter I should click here. And you can see this is the preview of bending. Okay, the reason why I choose here, but if I choose on here, the right side will be bent. But if I click on the right side, the left side will be bent. Okay, then I click OK. So it's look like this, become like this. Okay, now I'm going to do the unfold. First, on the left side, find the unfold command, and then the fixed face, I click here, and bends to unfold, I click here. Then I click OK, and it will become like this. Right? Okay, now I'm gonna cut here, but first I'll go to the sheet metal extruder cut, and then select this plane, and then click rectangle and go here. Okay. Okay, next smart dimension, click here and here, put 14 mm, and also here and here 14 mm. Okay, click OK. And this line we make it equal, sorry, it's not equal, parallel. Sorry, I should here and here, and you make collinear. Okay, okay, okay. After that, we exit the sketch and we will go to extrude the cut features. But since it linked to the thickness, either we can unclick here, and also we go to blind, we go through all. Okay, then we click OK, and there's cut here, right? Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna bend back here. First, we go to add the sheet metal and select this fold, and I already click here, so we automatically here. Then bend to fold is here. Okay. Then I click fold, and we will fold back. Okay, now I'm gonna create close corner. First, we go to here, select add edge flange. Wait, okay, edge flange is here. Then I select this line and pull up, and this angle I click 75 degree, while this length that I put 85. And now the flange position I choose outside, and then the custom relief type I click on rectangle. Okay. Okay, after that I click OK. Okay, now it looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna make make close the gap here. So I go search command and search close close corner here, and first to extend I click here. As you can see that this is a preview, and then corner tab I choose butt, and this. Okay, so then I click OK. Okay, now all the gap has been closed. Okay, now our object has done, has finished. Okay, then you want to see this flatten, so we click this part, and how this is how it looks like when it's flattened. Okay, save first. Okay, next after we done create the sheet metal, then we go to drawing part. Since I already make the drawing template, so I just open up. Okay, this I already make. Okay, next go to this library, and then select this file. So select here and find the sheet metal and click here. Okay, next, the first thing we're gonna put is the flat pattern. Okay, flat pattern. On the custom scale, we can use custom, put 1.2. Sorry, we skip. Okay, I think it is okay. Next, I click, we put the isometric, and here, select the display style, and the custom sheet, I think would be best 1/2, right? Then I click OK. Okay, this part is indicates that, right, now we're gonna adjust to make it looks proper, so that whenever we whenever we create an object for our project, and then we're gonna send it to the to the supplier so that supplier can create and understand our drawing. So you need to make sure it appear so that the supplier can understand what we wanna make. Right? Okay. Okay, after that we click save as, and then save our file. Okay, now uh the type, sorry, we're gonna change again. Sheet metal, right? I think we best lesson 9, and the title will be lesson 9. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.